Well, Maximus 2022 project mode is going to be winding down soon, but we definitely got a lot accomplished since we've been home. Steve did a fan reverse switch mod on a couple of our Max fans. We finished the duckboard flooring, relocated a DC to DC converter to make it more convenient to use in the bunk, located the dual alternators diode bridge to improve cooling when charging, replaced the solar panels, which was a big saga, rebuilt the back pivot mount after discovering it was broken, mounted his new recovery traction boards, eliminated our peat anxiety by connecting our composting toilet liquid to the gray tank, replaced the BMS with a newer version, and installed additional towel and hanging rods in the camper. Added an external MIMO antenna, and last little silly thing, Steve thinks it's silly, I don't, made a spot for Chester and a friend to travel in the camper with us without having to move them around all the time. Now, however, Maximus will need to wait patiently for the last major project until later this month, which we can't wait to start and share with you. It's a big, big endeavor, and we actually had to spend some moolah. For the moment, though, Steve has flown the coop, or should I say shop, but he has one more shop talk he's working on before he returns and really starts digging into this last push. So, stick with us if you like what's going on with the shop talks and want to enjoy some of our meandering travels coming up soon. Please subscribe, make sure you like this video, and we hope to see you soon, next week.
She offered to drive me, and I responded that she drives me all the time.
Isn't that hilarious?